How to change phone number in Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app and log in with your credentials. Once you are on the home screen, look for the profile icon, usually located at the top left corner, and tap on it. Now you will see a list of personal details you can update. From here, select the phone number option. You can now edit your existing number or add a new one. After you have entered your new phone number, make sure to double check it for accuracy. Then tap Save when prompted. You may be asked to confirm your identity with a PIN or biometric authentication for security purposes. Once that's done, your new phone number will be updated in your Barclays profile and you will receive a confirmation. Now you know how to change your phone number in the Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.